Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me Anil and I am back today with a new video. Today we are going to see how to attach a database file to a SQL Server Management Studio. It's a database which we have kept somewhere. Now we want to use it in our SQL Server Management Studio. So we want the database two file, that is the first one is MDF and the second one is LDF. There is two type of data that when we create a new database, then there is two type of database has been created. The first database is created is where we store the actual data, right? And the second one that is created, that is for storing the log, that is transaction log. What the transaction of data we have made in our database, that will going to store in the LDF, that is SQL Server Database Transaction Log file. In MDF, the primary data that is going to be stored in that. So today we are going to see how to attach the existing database in SQL Server Management Studio. So let's see. So first of all, you have to keep these two copy of the database. Now you have to open your File Explorer. Within that, go to C drive. In Program Files, go to Microsoft SQL Server. Here you will get the Microsoft SQL Server 15.SQL Server Express. Open that. Inside that, another folder, open that. Now here inside the data folder, you are going to get the all the database which is have been created in your SQL Server Management Studio. So let's see. In SQL Server Management Studio, first let me connect to the database. I have only one database with the name test, and the existing system database, that is four type of database, that is the master, the fourth database, and that is master, model, MSG, TempDB. This system database is already exist in all SQL Management Studio. Now I am having my own defined database, that is test. So let's see in the folder here test. For test I have two files here. One that is for LDF, this one is MDF, and the second one is LDF, that is a log file, transaction log file. Data going to store here, and in this MDF the actual database data going to store it. So let me show you the extension of that file or database. You can see here the extension is MDF. .mdf is a extension of this database. So it will store the primary data of the database. Let's see the another file. What is the extension of the? Can see here it is the LDF. That is the transaction log file. So when we are going to attach a database, we need two files, that is the MDF and the LDF, the same name. So now we want to copy that database. Select both file, click copy, or you can choose cut. Now paste it here. Now after pasting it here, we want to use it in our SQL Server Management Studio. So click on database, right click on database, click on attach. We want to attach that database in our database here in SQL Server Management Studio, right? So now click on add. So we want the attendance database, that is my another project. So I am having the this database with the name attendance. So I want to attach in SQL Server Management Studio. So just click on that database and click on OK. I can see this both file has been selected, the MDF and the LDF file. Now click on OK. Now you can see here my new database existing database is now attached to this SQL Server Management Studio. If I open this database, I can find my tables. I have only one table, the course, in this database. So that's it for today. If you find it helpful, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.